Hello, we are the Group 5, and in this presentation, we are going to show you our Unilever store segmentation research. For the contents, first will be group members, the second, the introduction, the third, the segmentation logic, the fourth, the metrics, the fifth, the data pre-processing, the sixth, the main results, the seven, the business actions, and the eight, the conclusion.
The members of Group 5 are Patricia Can, Juan Pablo Lira, Ignacio Monardes, Benjamín Ortiz, Fernanda Salas, and Renzo Eloso.
For the introduction, the objective is to understand the sales and product shortage to develop improvement strategies. The focus will be sales data analysis for Jumbo Supermarket, the approach to explain group process and chosen methodologies, to detail segmentation logic and metrics, and to present statistical and business perspectives. The commercial actions will be to describe objectives, durations, cost, and benefits for each segment. The overview will be to summarize findings and strategies.
The logic that we used for segmentation was based on different topics, like space of time. To analyze the segments in a space of time that wasn't too general or too specific, we choose quarters per year. Other topic is the top products. Once we choose quarters per year, we needed to measure the fluctuation of sales and stock, so we choose the top products that has the more sales. For the segmentation, we created three metrics. The first one is sales revenue, calculated by multiplying the sold units and their respective precio transformado of the previous filter stores. The second metric is total stock, calculated by filtering the previously mentioned products to obtain the respective total stock in the stores, and then filter only the products that were catalogados, which mean ready to sell. The third metric was percentage of cabecera, calculated by the mean of the products previously mentioned that were cabecera instead of isla in each store. In the project, data preprocessing involved several key steps. Various CSV files containing sales stock and another data were read into Python using pandas. Dates were parsed, and new columns for year and quarter were added to facilitate time-based analysis. Key metrics were created, including sales revenues and stock levels. The standardization of data was necessary due to significant metric variation, with metrics measured in different units, for example, money units and percentage. Pivot tables were created to summarize data, identifying the top and bottom 10 products by sales and stock levels. Additionally, exhibition data was transformed to analyze its impact on sales. Data preprocessing ensured consistency and comparability across datasets, likely including handling missing data, encoding categorical variables, and scaling numerical features. This preprocessing ensured the data was clean, structured, and ready for advanced analytics.
The main result of the segmentation. For the segment 2, this segment is composed of all stores that never have exhibitions cabecera, always isla. None are in Santiago. On the other hand, this segment is characterized by having almost all of its data among the 10 shops with the lowest stock levels and total sales. For the segment 4, this segment is composed of stores that most of their exhibitions were cabecera. The only store that was not a cabecera had an average above 0.59, the latter being the premise of Jumbo Talca 96. This segment, compared with the sixth segment, has some of the lowest amount of total sales in the quarters analyzed. And the segment zero, this segment is composed of the top sales of the total stores of all segments, also characterized by being positively related to stores with the higher stock level. Another characteristic is that the segment has exhibition type mix being very evenly divided in the third quarter of 2023 and tending to introducing cabecera than isla during this time.
Now, our business sections to suggest to Unilever focus on three key segments. First, for segment zero, we aim to increase sales in high performing stores by intensifying weekend marketing. Another option is to combine this with the Jumbo Prime membership in order to look for different segments of customers. We anticipate a 5% sales increase. Moving to segment two, our goal is to enhance sales and foster customer loyalty in low-performing stores. This involves negotiating mixed displays with Jumbo, implementing periodic promotions, and offering specialized service and recipes for customer loyalty. Finally, for segment four, our objective is to elevate sales in underperforming stores through display changes and frequent promotions. We expect significant sales growth and faster inventory turnover. In conclusion, our analysis reveals a clear correlation between the type of exhibition used in stores and fluctuation in sales and stock. However, it's important to note that a uniform approach to exhibition type isn't necessary. The most favorable outcomes were observed in stores that diversified their exhibition, prioritizing cabecera displays over isla. To enhance sales and stock management, we strongly advise negotiating with Jumbo for a mix of exhibition types for your products.